While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Album has been like a trip, literally. Like if I were to take a trip on what's that? The Magic School Bus, basically. Literally for Music Theory is R.E.M's album. We're gonna be checking out Groin. You know, I never looked into why it was called Groin. I just vibe out to like the sound right now. So I really need to take a more deep dive to R.E.M's Groin. It's a poor choice of words, poor construction of a sentence. Did you do it on some purpose? Never mind. Just move on. Just moving on. R.E.M's album is fire, bro. What is this filming? Is it up? Are we looking up? Are we looking up? What are we looking at? We're looking up, right? Yes, we are. Okay. Well, it's kind of trippy because I already thought I was looking at stairs. Are we going to the back rooms? I'm talking too much. I'm yapping. I'm in yapping mode, bro.
Yo, 세상에 재수 없는 세기가 많아. 어쩌라고 뭐 가던 길이나 가라. 세상엔 알 수 없는 세기가 많아. 부딪힐 것 같으면 난 더 세게 밟아. Fuck it up, bitch.
Hey.
Every time you know I fuck it up. Fuck it up, bitch.
Hey, hey.
번번이 또 망치고 말아. 나 스님은 못 돼. 타인은 말은 내게는 언제나 오해. 나도 fucking diploma. 이제 좀 살만하니 뭔 책임을 더 없네. 내가 뭘 대표해. 나는 나만 대표해.
Facts, bro. Oh man, I just love that he's expressing himself like this, bro.
화병 나서 죽기 전에 할 말은 하자. 맘만 드는 놈한테 난 무조건 빵상. 빵상, 무조건 빵상. 내가 뭘 하든 이제는 못 말려 방상. I see what I see. I be what I be. I'll set you free. You're telling nothing not so far. What it do, just come. Get your ass out of the trunk. Get your ass out of the trunk. Get your ass out of the trunk. Your face sound like fuck. Get your ass out of the trunk. Get your ass out of the trunk. Get your ass out of the trunk. Don't care what you talk. Get your ass out of the trunk. Get your ass out of the trunk. Get your ass out of the trunk. You walk like a dog. Get your ass out.
You walk like a duck. Wait, who you talking about, R.E.M? Who do we gotta jump? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
세상엔 재수 없는 새끼가 많아. 어쩌라고 뭐 가던 길이나 가라.
에이.
세상엔 알 수 없는 새끼가 많아. 나는 더 세게 밟아. 그냥 더 세게 밟아. Yeah, I fuck it up. I fuck it up.
에이.
오는 해롭지만 I suck it up.
Suck it up.
더 절벽으로 사냥형과 함께 어머니 속썩이러 어쩌면은 법이로 아니 그건 never know 난 착하게 살 거야 하지만은 you never know 눈은 좀 깔아줘 그러니 자극하지 말아줘 친구가 되고 싶다면 그냥 술이나 좀 따라줘 yeah. I see what I see
Me
I be what I be
Me
I'll set you free
Oh, this is so dope. Hey, 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 hey. I love his album the most because I can't really predict it where it was going. I can't really predict R.E.M's album, and that's what I love the most because, you know, like everybody has like a formula, you know, like especially in pop, you could sometimes predict formulas like in music. Not saying I'm an expert. I just been listening to a lot of music, a lot of like, I've been seeing a lot of music videos, and sometimes you could figure out like what the formula, what, you know, sometimes following the formula brings you success. There's nothing wrong with that. But with R.E.M, it just goes almost all over the place sometimes, and then comes back and then goes all over the place. So it's kind of like, it can't be like tamed kind of vibe. I know, bro. It's so two different vibes though. Like R.E.M, you just on a different level, my guy. Ah, you're so dope. You're so dope. I just want to say that. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Let me put you onto Villains Rosalina. I've been wanting to check this out for so long. And now we're here. So let's get into this.
Lately, you're acting out, fool.
Shout out to Villain, bro.
You're trying to fight
Who we trying to fight?
Screwing with these rumors about clues.
Ooh. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, okay. It's very beautiful out there.
Falling around the low ain't same. You found me some blame. Your love's what kept me standing. But sadly, you
that
don't
hair,
see
dude,
that
bro.
someone.
The hair looks soft. Who produced this? Who composed this? I believe that he would.
But sweetie, we've been through so much. They can't bring us down. These calls are long distance calls that I take. The price is never enough.
Ooh.
I just wanna get lost in your love. Either way.
Hey.
I just wanna get lost in your love. Rosalina, babe. Even if you don't rub me in, even if it's we've lost the way, don't you worry, I deserve it, but I'll find it. I'm way back to Rosalina.
I think I remember Villain showing me a clip of this. And now seeing it in full fruitation is kind of fire. Oh shit, he running! Damn! He out in the desert.
The long distance killing my baby. We should be working things out.
Bro, stop sleeping on Villain, y'all.
I'm reaching with my mother tongue.
Oh. Okay.
I just wanna get lost in your love. Either way.
Okay.
I just wanna get lost in your love. Rosalina, babe. Even if you don't rub me in, even if it's we've lost the way, don't you worry, I deserve it, but I'll find it. I'm way back to Rosalina.
The way he says Rosalina, like the way he like pauses. Oh shit! Flex on that shit, Villain. Okay, well hold on. Executive producer, Villain. Artist and producer, Villain. Songwriter, Villain. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, shout out to my boy, bro. He killing it. What is this? I might have to check out this album too, bro. Go hard. So if you haven't checked out Villain already, be sure to check him out. Yeah.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.